Hello, and welcome to this HelloID Access Management product release video for October 2021. HelloID Access Management is a cloud-based solution to control who has access to your business applications. By offering single sign-on, access will be made easier for the end user. HelloID also offers a wide integration with many two- and multi-factor devices like YubiKey, Soft Token, Oath Tokens, SMS, Radius, and many more. HelloID is a good alternative for ADFS, Okta, OneLogin, and Azure P1 license. Please note that in this video, we will only show you the new functionality for the October 2021 release. Please go to docs.helloid.com or our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's get started. We have added several new features in the October release of HelloID Access Management. The first item we added is the Access Rules Audit Logging. With this new functionality, you will be able to see who created, edited, or deleted a portal or application access rule. The second item is also an added audit logging item, containing audit logging on the identity providers. Here you can also see who created, edited, or deleted an identity provider. From this release on, it's also possible to add a Webhook URL to the incident module. The incidents and incident updates will be sent to the configured webhook. This makes it easier for an administrator to send incidents to his or her ticket system. We also added additional currencies in the user interface. We now support a wide variety of currencies in the user interface. The last item we added is the extension to the Get End User Categories API call. The Get End User Categories API call is now returning the admin categories a user is assigned to as well, meaning it's no longer necessary to do a separate API call to get the admin categories. For more information about this, please check the API documentation on docs.helloid.com. Let's continue on to the demo of the newly added features. The first item we'd like to show you is the newly added audit logging. Let's start with creating, editing, and deleting an access rule. We created it. Let's rename it. And then delete it. Of course, the application access rules are logged the same way. For this demo, we now continue with the identity provider rule, and then we'll check the logging of both at once. We created a new provider, the agent login. Let's disable this and edit it. And now, delete it. If we browse to the Elastic Reports module and refresh the log, you can see that an identity provider has been deleted, edited, and created, as well as an access rule has been deleted, edited, and created. Also, the new name is shown in the logging. Please keep in mind that you cannot see the contents of an edit, except for the name changes, of course. So you can only see which user did which actions, so you're able to see who touched which access or identity provider. The next item we'd like to show you is the support of the webhook in the incident module. If you browse to Settings, Company Settings, Incidents, you now have the option to add a webhook URL. You can also add multiple webhook URLs, and of course subscribe to certain texts with this module. If you enter a new URL, a secret will be shown one time. This secret can be used to verify that the actual message is coming from the HelloID webhook. Otherwise, you might receive multiple requests from the same webhook. Every incident update and new incident will of course be sent to the configured webhook. You can also add the text if you'd like, similarly to the email incidents. Please keep in mind that we do not supply client webhooks. This means that it is your own responsibility to handle the webhooks on your own systems. The final item we would like to show you is the added currency support. This is also shown in the company settings in company info. As you can see here, there is a long list of supported currencies now. You can choose one, and the currencies will also be reflected in the service automation module. So if you have the products now, the new currency is being reflected there. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can post your question in YouTube or send it to isupport@toolsforever.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive frequent updates about improvements and changes in HelloID. Have a wonderful day.